Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you two-way tone control circuit board. This bass treble board work on single supply. Here you have to give regulated 12-volt supply. This is audio input connector. Give audio signal here from any audio source. And from here you will get output. That will go in amplifier input. This is volume potentiometer. Use 47K pot for volume. And 100K for bass and treble. All of this are dual potentiometer. Use only original components. If you get humming or hissing from this board, then connect wire to this ground point and solder to body of all potentiometer. This tone control based on JRC 4558 IC. You can also use any 5532 IC here. This is bottom side of the PCB. This tone control match with any single supply amplifier. You can use this tone control board with 4440 amplifier or TDA 2030 single supply amplifier. Hope you like our videos. Thanks for watching.